Hello everyone, welcome to Rod's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. I'm going to show you how to take this tail light out of a 2018 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Now I took the other side out and it was a nightmare. So I figured I better make a video and show you guys how to take it out a lot easier than I got it out. So first thing we're going to end up doing on this particular model, there's a side panel right here. I'm going to set you down right here. We're going to do it together. Side panel right here. You're going to have to grab it from the bottom. I used a little screwdriver without marring up the plastic. There's a little spot right there. You could use that too, but that pops right out. No big deal. Get yourself a 10 with an extension. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the wiring too. It's real simple. It's just right there. Get yourself a 10 with the extension. Make sure you're going the right way. Sorry about the noise. Ooh, might need a... Don't want to drop the nut. Keep an eye on the nut. Otherwise it'll go down in the quarter and you won't get it out. Okay, this is where the electric or the magnetic socket would come in handy, but mine broke, so do not have one. So now you just got 2 bolts holding that baby in. That's it. That's all we got. 2 bolts. And I had some clips down there, and I'm like, oh man, this taillight's not coming out. So yeah, the taillight is not coming out. You could pry on it here. It's moving. This one's moving. The other side didn't move at all. If you pry too hard here, you'll bust it. You'll break it. If you pry... Now this bumper's busted, so I'm replacing the bumper, so I gotta take taillight out. If you pry here, you know, try to break, you'll break it. It's real thin in here. Almost looks like there's a little crack in there already. These taillights are expensive, and it's not worth it. So this is my hot tip for you. I'm going to put you on the stands here. Get yourself some Gorilla Tape. It's got good stick power. I used this on the other side to kind of mess it up there. Give it a good, get it on there good. Okay, that one's good for one. See, look at all that taillight's in there. If you pried on it, you would bust it. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Look at that. It is in there. So this Gorilla Tape is super strong. And yeah, the first one broke because I used it on the other side, so obviously it stretched the tape. But yeah, I had to really yank on it to get this taillight up. We didn't break it, didn't scratch anything, and the reason why I'm taking out the taillight is because the bumper sits on top of here and it's really close to the taillight, so I don't want to be taking a chance and trying to get this bumper underneath the taillight. It's just not worth it. So anyway, just want to make you a quick video on how to take a taillight out on a 2018 Toyota RAV4 Limited. Hope you guys like the content. Please like, subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me grow. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget, buddy, say hi to the people. There you go. The Budster. He's helped me out today. Thank you. Have a good day.